Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about the development mode option of Python. So development mode became available in the version 3.7 and it allows you to gain deeper insight as to how your application works or the script that you have written. And basically this is disabled by default because it takes a heavy toll on performance. And if you want to know in details, you can basically read about it in the official documentation. I just want to show you a little bit of difference that you can see when you are using development mode. So for example, I'm currently I haven't enabled any kind of, development mode. I'm just here on my console and I would like to create a demo.py script file. And in this file, what I would like to demonstrate is what happens when you miss to close the file when you write into it. So for example, you have a test.txt that you want to write to and you send out your lines. So first, no, I don't want to terminate it. So first and second. Do we have a backslash? Yes, we do. So backslash n, backslash n. This is the new line character. And if you were to run this script, Python 3 demo.py, you can see that nothing was output, nothing was on the output, no warnings, and you have your file test.txt created. But if you are familiar with Python, you know that when you use this file manipulation technique without a context manager, you should make sure that you close the handler, because that way you can exhaust the resources of your operating system, namely the handles or inodes if you are on Linux. And let's comment this one out. So how do we enable the development mode? Let me just remove it. So first thing that you could do is to use the -x dev and then run your Python script. And in that case, you will see a warning, which is basically a resource warning stating that you have forgotten to close the file. Let's go back and use the file pointer close, save it and run it, and you can see the error message is gone. So it's a pretty neat trick. If you have a script which manipulates files, you can use the -x dev to verify whether the handles are closed. What you can also do is to set the environment variable Python dev mode to 1. So let's do this. Export Python dev mode equals 1. Let's go back to our script and make sure that we have removed this line, and now run it without the switch. And now, since the environment variable is set, you can see that this is running in development mode. Alright, the other thing that I want to show you is how you can basically verify whether your script is running in development mode or not. And if we go and open up a Python shell, let me make it bigger, and import the sys module. If you check with the sys module, you will see that the sys module has a flags attribute, so flags. And in these flags you have the dev mode, and you can see that it is set to true. So based on this information, what you could do is to modify your script and basically say that let's make this dev demo. This is going to be a function, and we can have the non-dev demo, and here we have the file pointer equal to open test.txt, write fp equal fp.write, and we have the new line character with the first, and the fp.write second new line character, and the fp.close. Now in the if name equals main, we could say that we import the sys module, and if sys.flags.dev then we say that we want to call the dev demo, otherwise we call the non-dev demo. So let's go ahead and print this one. So this is cool, and dev mode, and this is also cool, non-dev mode. Let's save it and run it. So we have the dev demo. Yeah, all right. So dev is the keyword. So now, as you can see, this is cool and dev mode, and what we can do is to enable trace malloc to get the object allocation traceback. The object allocation traceback is basically this one. What is it? So this is not the one. Hold on, I think this is this one. So let's go ahead and export Python malloc debug, and not one, w trace malloc. This is the one, dev x dev, and we could add the -x trace malloc equals 5, and as you can see, now we have 5 lines basically after the traceback was called. So we know where this problem happened in our script, and we can technically go ahead and find this easily. And I think there is a way to use it. Trace malloc. Yeah. Oh, we can do this by using the Python trace malloc. So copy link, not the link, but rather the text. Okay, I will type it. So export Python trace malloc equals 1, and that way, come on, that way we should be able to run the demo script and still get the same results. So the takeaway from this video is that you can either use the -x with the dev argument to enable development mode, and that way what you can do is to, let's say, find dangling handlers and stuff like that. And if you want to like show more precisely where this error happened, you can also go ahead and use the trace malloc. And technically that's all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.